Hi guys, it's Miss Julie here at Miss Julie's Hair Studio, and I'm here to just give you a little bit more education on hair care while we're all stuck in our home and connected to our favorite professionals. And I miss my clients to no end. I can't tell you how much, but I know this will be over eventually. So, alright guys, here we go. Now, I don't know if you recall, but when I did the whole box dye thing and we talked about the cuticles, and we have a nice healthy cuticle hair that's closed, we have a slightly raised cuticle here, and then we have a totally broken cuticle here. Well, today I want to talk to you about the healthy cuticle. And so we can sometimes, frizz isn't going to damage your hair, but you can create it unnecessarily, and we don't usually want to create frizz, but oftentimes it's because people don't really know how to properly blow dry their hair. Normally we see people just taking a blow dryer and doing this all over the place like Now you can already see what that just did. That blew her hair all over the place. It's in no kind of, now I know when it's super wet, people will just do that just to get it, you know, kind of to the damp point. That would be okay, but I'm dealing with more damp going into dry. And so once you get your hair damp where it's not saturated, you don't want to continue to blow dry like that. You don't want to do this. What you want to do is that cuticle, it lays down. You know how we see it? It just goes, the cuticle goes in one direction, guys. And that one direction is not all over the place. It's coming from scalp and going down. And so in order to not frizz that cuticle and give yourself unnecessarily frizzy hair, what you want to do once it's damp is you want to take your brush or whatever, I'm going to do it over here so you can see this. You want to take your brush and you want to go in the direction of the cuticle. If we go in the direction of, you're not going to be getting frizz everywhere. Now, there's other people that, you know, I've seen it when they're damp and they just kind of do this. And the reason why they usually shake it is because it can get hot on the head if you keep it in one area. Obviously, a cooler setting is going to be better, but yes, it's going to take longer to dry. So what I suggest is if you really want smooth hair, just keep your tool, your blow dryer on a medium setting. Doesn't need to be hot. You can put it on medium, but just make sure you're going in the direction of your cuticle and drying that way. That's going to smooth out your hair so much better. And if you don't have this kind of a brush that I'm using, this works with any brush. You can use a round brush. We're gonna pick up some hair. And you're gonna brush and blow dry all in the direction of that cuticle. Now the other thing I want to tell you, this blow dryer has a tip on it. So that means that the hot air coming out of this is my blow dryer is here. So I've got a good 2 inches, if you can see this. There's a solid 2 inches here for that hot air to kind of cool down. So that's also not doing a lot of heat damage. If you don't have one of these and you just have this, you do not ever want to put that right on the brush like this, because now you are actually causing some heat damage to your hair. You want to make sure you're at least 1 to 2 inches away. So anyway guys, I just thought, you know, why not learn how to use your blow dryer the right way and create some really beautiful, sleek looking hair instead of frizzies everywhere. Okay guys, have a great day. Bye bye.